So YouTube sent me a gift, and guess what? It just arrived, so let's take a look what YouTube has sent me. Okay, this is very exciting. Let's see what YouTube has sent me. You're running away, Shayna. Ooh, what is this? Okay, let's turn it around. So it says YouTube, and thank you. What is this? It's quite hard, quite heavy. Okay, let's get this out. Okay, this is very, very exciting. I have no idea what this is. Okay, so it says, it's got all funny languages on it. YouTube, thank you. I really don't know what this is. There's no sign. This is very, very cool. Check this out. Any ideas what this is? And this? I still don't know. Okay. Are you ready? YouTube are a big tease, hey? Thank you. Some more funny words. And that's the YouTube logo. We know this logo very well. Okay. This looks like a door that we can open. Oh, this is awesome. It's one of those bears. These are very, very cool if you know these things. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Check this out. We're going to take it out. Oh, my. This is the coolest thing I have ever been sent. Seriously. It's a speaker as well, I think. Check. There's my name. Cape Town guy, established 2013. Oh, I actually can't believe I've been sent this. And there's the YouTube logo. What else does it have? I want to show you this again. Check that out. Check this out. Cape Town guy, established 2013. Okay, what do we have here? That's nothing. Okay, let's see what this is. Information. Okay, I'm gonna need a translator, yeah? What's this? Bare brick audio. Okay. Let's start. So there's a USB cable. You have to charge the battery. There's a power button and you connect it to your phone. And you can turn the hands to skip the track and change the volume. So it's basically a Bluetooth speaker. That's what it is. It's a Bluetooth speaker. And there's this information, and this is the USB cable. This is awesome. Like, this is actually better than receiving the YouTube play button. This is awesome. Okay, there's more over here, I think. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so what this is actually showing you is that this can actually be used as a place to store the bear. That's very cool. And then let's see. We're going to open this up. Oh, cool. This is a letter. Dear Cape Town guy, thanks for all your hard work and dedication to your channel and the shorts community. We appreciate it. Best Motso. So that's the YouTube Shorts community manager for Africa that I'm part of. So thank you very much. And this is a lovely letter. Thank you. Creators like you have been sharing your insight and artistry on every topic imaginable. And in a world that sometimes feels disconnected, channels like yours have cut through the noise, shaping culture and providing a space for community and connection. Your work has resonated with audiences around the world, educating, entertaining and inspiring people in ways we couldn't have imagined. As a creator, you live at the intersection of art and technology, so we're giving you something that does the same. A YouTube limited edition bare brick audio. YouTube's mission is to give everyone a voice and show them the world, and this collaboration between audio specialists Ronaro Isodynamics and Mediacom Toy is the latest take on the iconic bare form, giving a voice to the ultimate collectible. Outfitted with quad 360 and omnidirectional sound technology, this is the most cutting-edge bare brick ever, and we've customized it with curated colorways that speak to the vibrancy you bring to YouTube. As a symbol of the dynamic content you create, we hope this gift amplifies your creativity in 2024 and beyond. We're thankful for your voice. Team YouTube. Wow, that is inspiring. Oh, check this out. There's something that I missed over here. So yeah, it says Cape Town guy. That is very cool. And at the side over here, Cape Town guy total subscribers 7.5 thousand, views in 2023 883.4 thousand, likes in 2023 11.7 thousand, watch hours in 2023 10.9 hours, fan love. So this is honestly the most exciting thing I have ever received from YouTube and the Shorts community. How do you turn this thing on? Where's the actual power button here? Well, I need to charge it, but oh, I think there we go. That's the power button. Ooh, it's on. Okay, we should play some music. Let's grab a phone. Okay, let's pair. Cool, it's now connected. So let's test it out.
Sure to keep them round in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world to keep the sky on your mind.
So today we are taking a look at Thank you so much, YouTube, the Shorts community, and Motso for this awesome gift. This is honestly, and I'm not just saying it, the coolest gift that I've ever received. I'm never going to get rid of this. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to guard it. And this is super awesome. Thank you so much. And I look forward to uploading many YouTube Shorts and normal YouTube videos in 2024.